welcome to Cocktails with Olga. And today I decided to make a cocktail that is inspired by a country where I was very happy once. Last year, December, we went to Panama. And that was a fantastic holiday. That was so unlike most of our holidays. It was just so easy, so relaxing. We learned how to surf, and genuinely it was amazing to just hang in a hammock and enjoy good weather and fantastic water and just be chill and relaxed. So I found a cocktail that is originating in Panama, and it's called the Birds of Paradise. Now, most of you probably know Panama Channel. And the beginning from the, let me think, it's from the eastern side. It's actually a city called Colón. Now, we've been to Colón. It's not recommended by the guidebooks to visit that city, and it is somewhat not necessarily safe. But when the channel was built, there were lots of Americans that were building the channel. So there were also bars for Americans, and of course there were cocktail bars, and one of them created the Birds of Paradise, a Bird of Paradise. And there are quite some ingredients, and we'll try to not forget what goes where and when and how. But it's surprisingly enough, because Panama to me is associated more with rum than with gin, but it is a gin cocktail. Maybe it's an American legacy, I don't know. We have lime juice, we have raspberry syrup, I've got egg white, which I already separated. We also got orange blossom water. We've got heavy cream and sparkling water. So let's, oh yeah, and I got some decoration. The book I was reading said tropical flowers. I don't have tropical flowers. I have basilicum. So basilicum is going to be representing tropical flowers. Right, let's start building it before I forgot what goes where and how much and what do I do. So we take 2 ounces of gin. We're gonna take 1 ounce of the lime juice. We're also gonna have 1 ounce of cream. So this is the first cocktail with cream that I'm making. I'm curious how it's gonna go. Yep. Cream goes in. There was a happy cream. And now I can't see the measurements anymore, which is not very practical. Let me see if I can get it from here. No, I do need, hold on. I'm back. 3/4 of the raspberry syrup. We have the whole egg white that goes in. I know there are people who don't like eggy cocktails, but it is what it is. And we're gonna do a couple of dashes of orange blossom water. I'm just gonna use a spoon to make sure I'm not going overboard with this. There we go. And because it has egg white, we're first gonna do a dry shake. And dry shake means you don't add any ice, because first you wanna fluff up the egg white and the cream. And we're gonna shake for a while, so we might pause here. Okay, I'm done shaking. That was the secret of shaking, apparently. Opening. Now it's time for ice. Because Panama is warm. It would be strange if they would have a cocktail without ice, right? And then we just chill it. then we take a Collins glass. We're gonna do double straining, just in case. Okay, okay. And you top up with the sparkling water. And use whatever tropical eatable flower you can find. In our case, it's basilicum. Bird of paradise. I feel like it requires a straw, even though the recipe didn't say anything about it, but it feels like something you're gonna sip slowly from a straw. Okay, let's give it a try. I think it's really nice. It's this nice combination of cream and then a bit of lime, which gives it a bit, like, I don't know, nice freshness. Freshness, that's the word I was looking for. You don't taste egg at all. You do taste some alcohol, some gin, but it's not too much. I think it's a very nice, refreshing, bit lighter cocktail. If you're a bit on a sweeter side, that's definitely something for you. And gosh, it looks like a milkshake. Bird of paradise. Cheers to Panama.